Welcome to the jQuery training videos. In this video, I am going to explain about the animate method. The animate method performs a custom animation of a set of CSS properties. This method changes the element from one state to another state with CSS styles. The CSS property value is changed gradually to create an animated effect. Only numeric values can be animated, like margin is 30 pixel, like string values cannot be animated, like background color is red. What is the final thing of this one? Animate method is used to perform the custom animation effect on the given elements or selected elements. So this animate method changes the CSS styles. So CSS property values are changed gradually. Okay, it can be applied only for the whose has the numeric values only. Margin property has the numeric value 30 pixel. Okay, it does not apply for the background color like that animations. Okay, the syntax for the animate method is $selector animate. Within the animate we have the three parameters. So first one is the styles. Styles are included in the curly braces, and after that speed, after that using, after that callback. So parameter description. Styles are mandatory one. Okay. So here these styles has the background position X, background position Y, border width, border bottom width. These are the so many properties are supporting that one. Height, width, maximum height, maximum width, minimum, top, left, right, letter spacing, word spacing. These are the specified properties and values for properties for the styles. After that, speed one. Speed is defined in the milliseconds and slow and fast. And the default speed is 400 milliseconds, I think. Okay. After that, we have the swing moves slower at the beginning to end, but faster in the middle. Linear moves in a constant speed. Easing is the optional one. Okay. So in the easing we have the two properties: swing property, linear property. Swing moves the slower at the beginning and end, but faster in the middle. Okay. We can observe this thing also. First of all, go for the document.ready. Sorry, here so I am applying the button. Now observe HTML document. In this HTML document we have the two buttons. Button ID equals to button 1 animate height, reset height. Button 2 is the reset height. Here we have the div ID equals to box, style equals to background color, and height and width, and margin also is there. Now I want to animate the height of this box and also reset the height of this box. So for that purpose, $document.ready function. So $of button 1. Whenever button 1 is clicking, at that time this function is executed. This function hash box means our div id is the box. Okay. Dot animate height colon, here this is our CSS property, height colon 300 px, and button 2 click function hash box animate height is 100 pixel. Okay. Initially our box height is 100 pixel. Save this document and run once. So animate height. I forgot to save this document. Now click on the animate height. So height is increased. So reset height. So height is decreased. So here in the box, in the button 1 we are writing the animate height is 300 pixel. Now I am changing it to the 200 pixel. Now observe the output. and now I am changing into the 600 pixel. So save the document, run once. So animate height 200, reset height 600. Okay, like this way we are using the animate method, and in the syntax we have the animated style. After that we have the speed parameter is there. I am passing the speed also here. Speed is comma, I am putting the 400 pixel here and 300 pixel. Okay, comma 3000 milliseconds. Here I am passing and speed is here 400 milliseconds. 4000 milliseconds. Now observe our document. So click animate height. So height is increased slowly. So reset height is decreased slowly. Okay, like this way we are passing the second parameter also. This is the speed, and third parameter is easing. So easing has the linear and swing. So first of all observe the swing. Move the slower at the beginning and end, but faster in the middle. Comma swing. So observe the document. Refresh the document and animate height. So it is not working. So I am putting the double quotes within the swing. So observe the output of this document once, and animate height. So in the middle it goes to the fast, and at the center, at the starting time it is go to slow and fast. Okay, now I am removing this one, 300 milliseconds. So observe the output, 3000 milliseconds. Refresh the page and animate height. So it is not working. So like this way we are using the swing and linear methods. So linear properties. Thanks for listening. And one more example is there. Using the animate method with a callback function. How to use the animate method with the callback function? That repeats the animation function that repeats the animation. Okay, what is the thing he was asking is, so I want to, if we are clicking this one at that time, slowly increased and slowly decreased. It is a continuous process. Okay, he wants that type of output. So for that purpose we are creating the one function, and within the function we are calling the main function. So observe the code for this one. $document.ready function whenever clicking on the button. So we don't want the two buttons here. So I am removing the one. We along with the ID. Okay. So save this one, and button click function. So where div equals to $div. Okay. We are creating the one div variable. That div variable containing the this code. Okay, $of div start animation. We are starting the one function here. So in this function we are writing the code. So function start animation, or you give the your name Ramesh. So start animation, instead of start animation we are writing the Ramesh. Okay, so after that div.animate height comma slow, div.animate width comma slow, div.css background color is blue. div.animate, height is 100, slow. Div.animate, width is 100, slow. Start animation. After the third parameter we are calling as our main function only. So our function is Ramesh. So why you are taking the div variable here? In the div variable we are taking the $of div. Instead of div here you write the $of div also. So first of all observe the output of this program. So animate height. So I am changing this into the milliseconds. So 4000 milliseconds. Now observe the output of this program. So go for your code and save the document. Here I am putting the only one height. So refresh the page, one button. So animate height. Actually we are getting some sort of error here. Okay, I think you understand this one. And the third one is third example is how to add smooth scrolling for the page anchors. How to use the animator and add smooth scrolling of the links. No need for this one. So first in the animate method, we observe that. So reset the. So first of all, we observe the properties like styles, speed, and easing. Thanks for listening.